Well, it's not very new. It's only 100 amp service, but it's a 100 amp service, and it looks okay. So I didn't budget for electrical on this one. And the electrical seems okay. It looks like it's got the grounded outlets everywhere I looked. I didn't notice any 2-prong outlets in here, so my assumption is it's been updated and it's got a modern 100 amp plus electric box. Now, if there was fuses in there, we're going to replace them. And the last house we were at just had fuses. And then if you see a meter on the inside of the house, not the outside, then we're going to replace it because that means it's only a 60 amp service. And I did see recently, was it one of our property tours or did I just look? Did we have one? I saw it had a meter inside, but it had a 150 amp service inside.
It was one we looked at,
Yeah, it was one of that we looked at. But it had the meter inside the house too. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's still a 60 amp service hooked into a 150 amp meter box. So that whole system had to be updated. The box was there, and now they had to get the service moved outside and then have it upgraded from a 60 amp service to at least to 100 or 150 amp, whatever the box was for.
It was a